everyone, welcome to 1 Junee Street, Redland Bay. 3 levels of absolute waterfront luxury. Please come and join me for a tour inside. On this middle level of the home, we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom behind me. Magnificent kitchen and butler's pantry to my left. Dining area to the right, flowing seamlessly through to the lounge, and then out onto a wonderful entertaining deck with views to absolutely die for. Currently on the ground floor of the home. Beside me here we have a statement staircase, wonderful feature wall. To my left, the media room. Behind you is the downstairs bedroom, which actually opens out onto the pool area. Behind me is the home office, which then goes through to downstairs bathroom, laundry, an additional rumpus room, then through to the garage, which is 3 cars wide, but also has a car lift, so accommodates 4 cars. The master suite encompasses the whole of this 3rd floor with views absolutely to die for. You literally feel like you're floating on the water up here. Nothing I can say can do this justice. You really need to come and have a look for yourself.